A September 10th, 2015 blog post announced that the Office 2016 rollout was commencing on September 22nd. It also introduced new deployment options for businesses, including an option to postpone deployment to give them more time to prepare. Those companies that elected to put their users on the deployment option called the current branch could install Office 2016 immediately or soon after availability and were always kept up to date. Those customers on the current branch for business meant that Office 2016 deployment could take place in a more predictable manner and would not start immediately. A February 9th blog post had some important new information on this topic, some of which I'd like to discuss. The first item was some name changes to the deployment options. The current branch became the current channel, and the current branch for business became the deferred channel. Only the names changed. Everything else stayed the same. The next and more important item was that what was called the current branch for business and is now called the deferred channel build of Office 2016 is now available for download, and as of February 23rd is available on the Office 365 user software page. There's more in the blog post than I have time to discuss here, including some great information for admins, so be sure to check it out. Knowing who is taking action on content can be critical in helping an organization fulfill its compliance requirements. On February 17th, Microsoft announced an important update for admins, the ability to audit and report on numerous activities that take place within SharePoint Online and OneDrive for Business. Admins will now have an audit log that displays what both users and admins have been doing. Need to find out if a user deleted a key document or if an admin reset someone's password? It's in the new audit log. This is a great new resource for compliance officers who need to understand actions taken by individuals using OneDrive for Business or taken by users on a specific file in a SharePoint Online document library. In addition to these new auditing and reporting capabilities, Microsoft is also increasing the per file size limit to 10 gigabytes. This applies to files uploaded to SharePoint Online team sites, Office 365 groups, and OneDrive for Business, as well as for videos uploaded to the Office 365 video portal. Microsoft is also increasing the overall pooled SharePoint Online storage allocation to 1 terabyte plus half a gigabyte per user. There are lots of additional details in the February 17th blog post. Be sure to check it out. All companies must address the challenges of storing and organizing vast quantities of data so they can quickly be responsive to a litigation, investigation, or regulatory eDiscovery request. In early December, Microsoft released Office 365 Advanced eDiscovery, which integrates Equivio machine learning, predictive coding, and text analytics capabilities to reduce the costs and challenges that come along with sorting through large quantities of data for eDiscovery purposes. On February 1st, Microsoft announced that customers can now export eDiscovery data from their Office 365 tenant to third-party review applications. This new capability is in addition to the existing export capabilities already present in Office 365. The new export functionality enables secure eDiscovery data export from Office 365 Advanced eDiscovery to secure Azure storage controlled either by the organization or by the third-party review application. Microsoft is initially working with 4 review application partners to build integrated solutions that take advantage of the new export capability in Office 365 Advanced eDiscovery. They are Epic, Connect, Relativity, and Recommind. I hope I pronounced those names right. To learn more about integrating Office 365 Advanced eDiscovery with these third-party review applications, consult the February 1st blog post. In past recordings, I've asked for your input on what new Office 365 capabilities you'd like to hear about. I appreciate your suggestions and continue to encourage you to send them to jimnar@microsoft.com. Some of you have sent me requests for new capabilities not currently offered in Office 365. I assure you that as much as I'd like to, I have little to no influence over the future direction of Office 365. With that said, if you do have any suggestions for improvements in Office 365, please visit office365.uservoice.com and post your feedback there. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you again next month.